Hello everybody, and today we're going to be continuing on our zombie shooter game in Scratch. So what I do first is, let me just do this. So what I do first is I'd save this as a copy, and I'll name this version 2. And yeah, let's get started. So first of all, I will be adding some blood with the gore variable in case you don't want blood at all. And 2 different zombie types. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh yeah, and some player legs. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've got the assets in a project. So I'll just get that. And I'll put the link of the project in the description. And as you can see, there's bullet, the blood, if you want, and the player legs. So I will be putting that in my backpack. Oh, I already got this. I'll just put it there again, I guess. And I won't be needing the bullets because I already got it. Now I'm going to go back into my stuff, so I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Now just click into your backpack. Put the player legs in the game, in the sprite tab, and put the blood sprite. Okay, so now I'm going to code the player legs first. Oh wow, I need to fix that first. Alright, time to put the player legs first. So one flag clicked. One flag clicked, hide. Then when I say restart forever, go to player, and actually we'll need a new sprite. Call it the like pointer, and we will not be needing anything in the costume. So one flag clicked forever. Go to player, then in player legs, point towards the like pointer. Oh yeah, and show. Okay, so so it's a bit small, and I feel like the player and the zombies are too big, so I'm gonna just size it. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna size the bullets. Oh, it's 66. So just do this, go in the costume, and just make a rectangle or whatever, and then set it to 50. Then we'll basically make it 50. Anyway, so the player legs are like really small. I just need to do this. Okay, yeah, so anyways, the player legs are really small, so I'm gonna set it to the size of player. So, and then I'm gonna make it go to the back layer. Just click that, and yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is duplicate this, delete this, and strip the for loop. And now I'm gonna get if else, or so key A pressed or key D pressed. D pressed or key W and S pressed. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now the else part, hide, but in the actual thing, broadcast walk legs and wait. So, and then when I receive walk legs, switch costume to walk 1. Then repeat. Let's see. Repeat 19. Next costume. And then. Oh wait, no. And then if not this script, and put it in a not. Stop this script. And then yeah. Oh yeah, and by the way, put a show there. So now we've got legs, and the leg pointer helps it to point in the right direction. So yeah, and it's pretty just needs sound. Now I've actually got the sound in the asset project, but since I've got it in my backpack already, I will put the sound there. So pistol and Uzi. I'm gonna put it. That's fine. And this. Alright, that's fine too. So in the clone script and bullets. Oh yeah, make sure you put the sound in the bullets. And in the script, clone script, start sound, go to variables, get the whip variable and then just put it there. It will make the correct sound. Oh wait, it's 75. Okay, now we've actually done it. I'm just gonna adjust it for my game. You don't have to do this. Okay, yeah, that's better. So now the zombies are smaller too, and this is actually way better. But only problem is it's a bit boring when you shoot them. You just have a gun, you just shoot zombies. That's it. So we're gonna make the visual effects nicer. So when flag clicked, hide, and then make a gore variable. Oh wait, I already got this. And set gore to, I'd set it to 1 for now. And we've got these costumes, the big. Okay, so now I'm gonna go, when I receive, make a new broadcast called Blood. And basically make a new block named let's see, make amount. Actually wait, name it score. And then repeat, then put score in here. Then on this, repeat amount. At the start of the block, press show, then hide at the end. Just pretty much put a create clone of myself in the repeat. And when I start as a clone, move, cruise right only. Oh my gosh, I already have it. So switch costume to big, set size to whatever you want, but I'm going to do 5 to 50. I'll adjust it later. And then switch costume to throw. But since like I want it different, I'll just make it. Actually no, I won't make it different right now. So name this throw, and pick random 1 to 1. But if you have a space in between there, then you're gonna have to actually add a space there in order for it to work, or just delete the space from the costume. So that is throw 1, and I will adjust this later to 2, 3, 4. I'll set it to 1 for now, and then I will make the clone go to the player. And alright, yeah, we need to make BX for all sprites and BY for all sprites. Then go to complete the go to player, by the way, and go to BX, go to BY, then show, and you don't need a show actually. So I'll do this later. For now we need to broadcast the blood. Broadcast blood, but before the broadcast, set BX to X position and BY to Y position. Well, so yeah. So now repeat until, oh wait, for the repeat until, change move by pick random 5.0 to 15.0. The reason why we have to point so that it can, yeah, you know. And then if we do it like this, just as this, yeah, and yeah, you get it. And repeat until move is under 1. Move. And set move to move times 0.8. And then move steps. Then go to the pen. Oh yeah, you got the pen instruction, by the way, and then stamp and delete this clone. Alright, yeah, and right before stamp, copy this, change this to blood, and same reason, and same problem if you're having, if this has a space again, just add the space again, or just delete it. Oops. So I'm just gonna add that real quick, and yeah, let's see this working. So as you can see, it works, but since the blood is set to 1, there's not that much blood. So let's set this to Doom mode. Wait, what? Oh yeah, right. I've got one block. Point in direction. Pick random 180 to negative 180. This way it will just do this. Alright, and one flag clicked, erase all in the pen extension. And on when I say restart, let's get that. Okay, so now, wow, that is a lot of blood. Since it's in Scratch, I'd probably set it to 2. Or probably 0, that would be better. And by the way, this sprite is completely optional. You don't have to add this. And now let's add the 2 types I mentioned. So let's do that now. So let's just name this 1. Then name this is going to be named 2 automatically. So I'm thinking of making a muscular zombie that's red. So let's do that. And I'm going to make the skin color red. We make posture insane. Okay, yeah. Now we have a big zombie. And now I usually do this instead of like moving the script. So go into my custom blocks, create a block called health ifs, run without screen refresh, then on the health ifs custom block, if type, oh I haven't made a type yet, so create a new variable called type for this sprite only, and then set type to pick random 1 to 2. So yeah. Then actually I'll set z type to 2 and z health to 2, and type if type equals 1, set z health to 2 or whatever you want, and set if type equals 2, set z health to 5. Okay, so now I'm going to test it out. Alright, I need to put the switch costume to type. Let's just see that in action. Okay, so actually go into this and add a space, and in this add a space also. Then go to operators, join, put space in apple, put type in the banana, and yeah. So now it is on the correct thingy, and the red zombies are tougher, and the green zombies are like weaker. So that's good. So now I'm gonna be making the other type a runner. Let's duplicate this, and I'm going to make their arms longer. And I'm just going to do this. What am I doing? Okay, now I'm going to make their posture a bit bad. Oh wow, that was a bad posture. I'm just going to keep it like that, and I'll make their skin yellow. It's like a traffic light. Okay, so now on the health ifs, if type equals 3, set z health to 1. So now they're weaker. Oh yeah, and the run. And get a custom block, name it run ifs, no walk ifs, no speed ifs. What about screen refresh? And take this away. Add speed ifs here, no, here. And then duplicate this, strip this, and add move 4 steps into type 1. And type 2, since they're bigger, I'm gonna leave it to 3.3. And since type 3 is meant to be a runner, I'm gonna make it 6. Or 6.5. Oh. Okay, let's go. Alright, I need to go into to this script and make this 3, so let's try that. Oh wow, they're fast. So yeah. So we added legs to the player and blood, which is optional, and 2 types. Now the last thing that I'm going to do is just change the shirt color to I don't know actually, white to grey. Alright, yeah. So I guess wait, I'm actually going to add hair to this guy. I know this is not part of the tutorial. So I'm just going to add hair. Just gonna make it bigger. Okay, so I added hair to this guy. I'm just gonna paste on every single costume. Okay, so I'm gonna add another gun because I want to. You don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. Now I'm going to add this gun. So this is actually from another game that I made, and this gun caught my eye. So I'm gonna put that gun in my assets for everyone to use, if you want to use it. So yeah. So now I'm going to flip this. And yeah, I'm just gonna make it so that he's holding the gun. Yeah. Let's just back clear. So I'm gonna kind of give him a oversized grey shirt. Alright, I need to do this to the center thingy. Oh, that's way off. Yeah, that's right. And I'm going to make the hand hold this. And that is very weird looking. No, it's not weird looking. Now I'm going to make the gun go back to back layer. I'm going to delete this. And I'm just going to delete that. And then make it pointed. Then pretty much I will select that, put it in here. I want to go to the back layer. And this hand is pretty fat, so I'm going to put it a bit. And now I'm going to add a rectangle with the same skin tone, so yeah, it looks pretty good. So in the bullet, I'm going to set the weapon to 3, and on the if and on the shooting script, I'm going to set this to 0.05. I'm going to make this 3, and yeah, and also I have the gunshot, and I know this is an AK-47. I'm just going to name it MR15. Now, I'm going to be putting something different in the assets, but I'm going to be putting this also because I don't really like the gun sound, in my opinion. So, yeah. So now this is actually looking like a zombie game. But I want to add one badass thing. I want to name it Tick or whatever. And then on the zombie script, move. No, this is built actually. Move 25 divided by tick. Then on zombie script, move. Just do this. All right. So 4 divided by tick. 3.3 divided by tick. And by the way, this is a slow motion ability. 6.5 divided by tick. Then I'm going to move this to the player. Whoops. Then we make this 6 divided by tick. Then on the pod, I'm going to make it move divided by tick. And then this I'm going to do 1 divided by tick. And oh yeah, and this I'm going to do weight times, so weight 0.01 times tick. And yeah, so basically it's at 0, so it's very bad. So when I receive restart in the player script, get a forever loop and get a set tick to, then we're going to set tick to tick times 0.8, and then on the forever loop change tick, no, on the moving script change tick by 0.2. Now what was, wait, I need to disable the, so now what was the point of this? Well, actually wait, it will be 0.1, I think. No. Yeah, no, so it's slow, meaning that this is like slow motion. So now I'm gonna set it to 0.5, trying to see if, trying to find the best amount for this. Alright, that's exactly 1, which is what we want. Okay, so on the player script and player thing again, when space pressed, space key pressed, wait until not space key pressed, and repeat until space pressed. Change tick by 1. So now it's really slow and it looks badass. But now I'm just going to feel like it's really slow, so I'm gonna set it to 0.5. Yeah, that's good. And what is this? What is this? Okay. So I think I'm gonna times that by 1. I know this is a bit of cheating, but you know. Oh, and one more thing. It sounds very unnatural for the gunshot to be like very light, like high pitched. So on sound, set pitch effect to 100, no, 1 to 1 divided by tick. No, I think we need 50. Negative 50. and then I'll just take it away by 50. And yeah, that is pretty cool. But one last thing, take this, duplicate it, put it in the boolean, and then on this script, make this 0.05, duplicate this, and yeah. So now we've got ourselves a game with slow motion effects. Let's try this with zombies. Okay, let's do it now. See how cool this looks. And yeah, it's just pretty cool. I would add a cooldown, but I'll do that in the next tutorial. But because this video is 30 minutes long, Jesus, my longest video. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys.